Meaning of gerontologist.
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 Gerontologist. A gerontologist is a professional who specializes in the study of aging and the elderly. Gerontology is a multidisciplinary field that looks at the biological, psychological, and social aspects of aging. Gerontologists seek to understand the physical and mental changes that occur as people age, and to develop interventions that promote healthy aging and improve the quality of life for older adults. They may work in a variety of settings, including healthcare facilities, research institutions, and social service agencies. The field of gerontology is expected to grow in importance as the global population continues to age.